Yeah, she's here to help. All right, just got the purlins done on the goat barn roof here. Interesting little go at things. It's the first time I've ever done it, so I'm not gonna lie, it's not perfect. It's perfect enough, again, for a goat barn. I don't really know what I did wrong. I'm thinking probably, I measured corner to corner on the purlins and they're square, but they don't measure the same. Like from the outer end of that purlin to the edge of that 2x4 is not the same as up here. And it's definitely not the same as over here. This is like a foot, like 12.5 inches, and that's only like 9 inches there. So my gables will be different sizes, I guess. I'm not really sure how that happened, other than I guess maybe just my outermost rafter is not square from top to bottom. That's the only thing I could think, which I thought I squared them, but I really don't remember. Anyway, she's solid now. I put on the, the 45 sheeting on the outside and put on all the purlins, and it is solid. So now that I've got, this is all we're doing for the roof decking. We're not actually going to put on any OSB. So we're just going to screw our sheet metal down directly to the purlins here. So I've got to measure out and figure out what my safe square pattern is for my width, and then see how much metal I got to order. But that's it, I think, for the rough framing. Yeah, we'll have to build the pins on the inside, which will come later, and I'll start sawing out some siding to put on the outside. But sweet dirty, at least the rough framing is done.